The right mortgage makes all the difference. RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you find it. If you're planning to buy a higher-priced home in Richmond, VA, a jumbo loan might be the financing option you need. Jumbo loans are designed for properties that exceed standard loan limits, meaning they're used for more expensive homes. Because of the larger loan amounts, lenders usually have stricter requirements. This often includes higher credit scores, strong income, and a lower debt-to-income ratio. Down payments are typically higher than standard loans, but terms can vary depending on the lender. One key benefit is that jumbo loans allow you to finance luxury or high-value properties without splitting the loan into multiple parts. However, interest rates and approval standards can differ, so it's important to compare options carefully. Understanding how jumbo loans work helps you prepare financially and avoid surprises during the process. With the right strategy, you can confidently finance a high-value home that fits your lifestyle and long-term goals. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647, call 804-212-8663, email Duane@coasttocoastml.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.